Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to create a 2 into 2 bubble chart in Excel. Let's begin. First of all, select your data without item. Go to Insert tab, recommended chart, all chart, XY, select bubble chart 3D or 2D. Click OK. Then click the plus icon, access. I already added access and grid lines. Then go to Insert tab, shape line. You can draw line vertically or horizontally as you wish. Example, hold shift, again hold shift, change line color. Okay, change bubble color or right click at data labels, trend line, fill color. Uh, Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.